Tonight for dinner, I improvised this black bean fajita pasta. I had to get a little bit creative with this recipe. My fridge freezes everything, so I took 2 frozen bell peppers and diced them up. And I didn't have an actual onion, so I used my pickled red onion to work with. It was also frozen, but I diced some of that up and then added it to my cast iron pot thing. The recipe I was using then called for canned diced tomatoes, which I didn't have, so I just diced up some regular tomatoes. I had too many, so I marinated some for a snack later. Then it called for canned corn, which I didn't have. I had frozen leftover corn on the cob, so I just took them and cut the kernels off to give me my cup of corn. Then I just added it to the pots where the peppers, onions, and tomatoes were cooking, and luckily I had enough liquid. I realized I wasn't going to have to use the vegetable broth. From here, I added my black beans, and mine had diced jalapenos, which was really nice. I then once again deviated from the original recipe because I wanted to use my own fajita seasoning versus their spices. So I added 3 tablespoons of my fajita seasoning to the boiling vegetables. Then I added a tablespoon of paprika and a tablespoon of garlic salt. And once that reached a boil, I added in my pasta. I had bow tie on hand and let it cook for 15 minutes. And partway through, I was like, let's add some tahini for flavor. And the last thing I did was add some mozzarella. I used like a cup and a half. It made enough food that we have leftovers for tomorrow. So that was our improvised dinner tonight.